In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a score assessment in Tally.so. To get started, head over to Tally.so and sign into your account. Once you're inside, you can either click Create Form to build a brand new assessment or open an existing form if you already have one started. This gives you the base you'll use for your quiz or scored assessment. Next, open your form settings and look for the quiz section. Here, enable quiz mode. This is the setting that transforms a regular form into a scored assessment. Once it's turned on, Tally can begin evaluating responses and calculating results automatically, which makes the whole process much easier. Now it's time to add your assessment questions. Insert multiple choice or checkbox question blocks, depending on the kind of answers you want users to select. Then type in each question and its answer options. Continue building out all the questions you want included in your assessment. It's a good idea to keep your wording clear and consistent so the final experience feels polished and easy to complete. After your questions are in place, click into each one and assign the correct answer choice. Repeat this for every question in the assessment. Tally will use these correct answers to automatically calculate each respondent's score based on what they select. So make sure you review each one carefully before moving on. From there, open the quiz settings panel to configure how scoring should appear. You can choose whether the score is shown immediately after submission, whether correct and incorrect answers are displayed, or whether answers should stay hidden until later. You can also customize the results screen, which helps make the experience feel more intentional and useful for the person taking the assessment. Next, create a customized thank you or results page. This is where you can include the assessment score, a feedback message, recommended next steps, and any helpful resource links or offers. A strong results page can turn a simple quiz into a more valuable experience by giving people direction after they finish. If you want to personalize the outcome even more, add conditional results. You can use conditional logic to show different messages based on score ranges such as beginner, intermediate, or advanced. This is especially helpful if you want the assessment to guide people toward different recommendations depending on performance. You can also set up notifications if needed. Enable email notifications to track submissions or connect tools like Google Sheets, Airtable, Notion, Zapier, or Make, so participant results are captured automatically. Before sharing anything, click Preview and test the assessment with different answer combinations. Check that scores calculate correctly, results display properly, and any conditional outcomes work the way you expect. Once everything looks good, click Publish, copy the public form link, and share it